Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to be setting up my monthly view for March and going through my planner updates for February. I really like the end result of using this kit, but putting on these little numbers really is taxing. For the rest of the decoration, I'm going to be using this washi tape from the Coffee Monsters Co. It's called Lucky Charms, I believe. And off camera, I've just jotted down some important dates that I'm going to use these icons for. That is it for the monthly spread. So I think when I last talked about my planner update, we were just finishing this final week we are just finishing this final week of January into February, and I was talking about how I really didn't have a good experience trying to turn a vertical kit into a Hobonichi kit. So this month I specifically only used Hobonichi kits, which is what you're supposed to do. This first kit is from Hubman and Chub Girl, and so far I really enjoy using their kits. There are still parts of the kit that I don't quite understand. I have this example kit that I am going to use, so I don't really use these glitter headers for anything, and I'm not really sure what other people use them for. I've used them underneath the date covers, but I don't know if... I guess you could use them for whatever you wanted, but at the end of the week, I just find that I have a lot of them left over. And then the Hubman and Chub Girl kits also include these. These are washi strips, but then these are perforated, so they're short. Then she also has this strip, which is perforated into smaller sections, and I'm not really sure what to use these for either. So if you have any ideas for what to use them for, please comment it down below, because I really don't get it. And I asked the Facebook group, and they said to watch the video, but it's not really on the Hubman and Chub Girl YouTube channel. But as usual, I really love the artwork, and it is a very comprehensive kit, and there's so many stickers that I feel like it works for a lot of people. For this next week, I also used the Hubman and Chub Girl kit. This is, I think, Lovely Gnomes, and I started using the habit trackers. I'm tracking days when I don't spend anything and my water intake. And I still have my grocery list on the edge, and then I decorated it with some activity stickers from the Coffee Monsters Co. I also decided I wanted to start tracking my steps, so I was writing them at the bottom, but next week but in the following weeks I want to use the big habit trackers to do so. This is a kit from Brianna Nicole Designs, and this is my first time using the kit, and I was a little disappointed because I don't know if you can see, but the stickers here don't exactly meet the entire width of these columns, which I did not expect because I thought every kit would have that feature. But when I messaged the store owner on Etsy, she said that she wanted them to be censored, so I guess that's something to keep in mind if you order from this shop. It's something that I was just unfamiliar with, but I really do like the look of this kit. It's different from Hubman and Chub Girl for sure, but I think there's less stickers. I still think it's a good amount of stickers, and I still like how the spread turned out. This is the final week of February, and I'm using a kit from Paper Echoes. I'm kind of biased towards Paper Echoes because they have these characters, and in general I just really love her art style, so I can't really complain much. I do find it interesting how each kit is different from one another, and that's why I think this is how I'm justifying this sticker shopping trip that I'm on, because this Paper Echoes kit has a lot more to-do labels than all the other kits. I think the other kits only have around 4 of them, because I think they expect that people are going to be free on the weekend and not do any work. And then the paper quality is also different per sticker. So the ones that were easiest to write on is definitely this one from Brianna Nicole Designs, because it is not glossy, I guess. It feels like paper. It feels like sticker labels. And so that made it really easy to write on. This isn't a problem if you're using a ballpoint pen, but I like to use gel pen or fountain penning. So sometimes with these glossier stickers, I have to wait a little bit, or it's going to smudge. For February, nothing really changed about my layout or anything that I'm writing in the daily pages. they just look a bit bare because I don't, when I don't have memorabilia, I don't really know what to use these spaces for, but hopefully I can fill it up with some washi tape or some stickers that I'm quoting. So that is a very uneventful planner update, but I hope that it showed you some ways that you can use your Hobonichi. If you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!